If you're seeing a Beehiiv server error, don't panic. In this video, I'll walk you through a simple step-by-step process to fix it quickly so you can get back to writing, publishing, and managing your newsletter without the frustration. These fixes are easy, beginner-friendly, and most of them only take a minute or two. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials just like this one. Let's get into it. First, start with the simplest fix. Refresh the Beehiiv page. Sometimes a server error is only temporary, and a quick reload is enough to get the site working again. If that doesn't solve it, wait a few minutes and try again. Beehiiv may be experiencing a short outage or a temporary issue on their end, so giving it a little time can often fix the problem without you having to do anything else. Next, check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working properly and that your connection is stable. If your internet is slow or dropping in and out, Beehiiv may not load correctly. You can also try opening another website to see whether the issue is with Beehiiv or with your connection in general. If the problem still continues, log out of your Beehiiv account completely, then log back in. This can refresh your session and clear up any account-related glitches that may be causing the server error. After that, open Beehiiv in an Incognito window. This is useful because Incognito mode starts a fresh browsing session without using most saved cookies, cache, or extensions, which can help you figure out whether the issue is caused by your browser settings. If Beehiiv works in Incognito, that usually means the problem is coming from your browser data or an extension. Now go ahead and clear your browser cache and cookies. Over time, old browser data can become outdated or corrupted, and that can interfere with websites like Beehiiv. Clearing it out gives your browser a clean start and often resolves loading or server-related issues. If you're still getting the error, disable browser extensions one by one, especially anything related to security, privacy, scripting, or page blocking. Some extensions can interfere with Beehiiv's scripts and prevent the site from working properly. Finally, disable any ad blockers you have running. Ad blockers are a very common reason websites fail to load correctly or show server-style errors, especially on dashboard pages and login screens. Once you turn it off, refresh Beehiiv and check whether the error is gone. In most cases, one of these steps will fix the issue and get Beehiiv working again. If not, the problem may be on Beehiiv's side, and you may just need to wait for their servers to come back online. If this tutorial helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more quick fixes for common app and website errors. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.